My name is Saloni Jain and I'm a double major in finance and business analytics. I was 8 years old when my dad started taking me to work. He owned 2 or 3 businesses. That got me interested in business in general, and when it came to a specialization, he pursued finance when he was my age, so I wanted to go ahead and pursue finance as well. I'm actually a transfer student from Germany and I came here in my sophomore year. And my grand uncle, Dr. Vinod Agarwal, he's a professor out here and he teaches economics. So he was like, if you're coming to the US, you should come to Old Dominion. I feel like because I'm from India, it gave me a major advantage because I became more open-minded. It is very different from any other country that I've studied in. It's very open and I feel like Old Dominion was very welcoming that way. My faculty out here have been a very big support. They are the reason why I am who I am today. Old Dominion helped me. It gave me a lot of opportunities that I did not even know existed out here. I joined organizations, I joined different clubs and national honor societies, and that helped me become a very good leader. It helped me gain time management skills, how to work under pressure, how to cope with failure. It shaped me and it's making me ready for the professional world. I feel like out here your door never closes. You always have different doors. If you don't get one opportunity, there are 10 more lined up for you. And I feel like there are faculty and there are people who help you and go above and beyond to support you so that your dreams do come true out here. When I came here, I did not know that such opportunities existed, and more importantly, I didn't know that I had so much of capability in me. So I plan to get a job, hopefully as a financial analyst, and work for 2-3 years and then go for my MBA. When you come from a developing country like India, you only see how college life would be in movies, but I got to experience it firsthand. I'm very grateful for that. And I know a lot of people don't understand how important it is and how much we don't have back home, but I feel like I'm very lucky to be here. So go Monarchs!